Let's talk about something that drives us all crazy. You're on an important call, you're streaming your favorite show, you're just trying to get something done, and poof, your tech just fails. No warning, no good reason. Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on the invisible force that might be causing all that chaos.
I mean, it's the universal scream of frustration in the modern age, right? You've got full bars, everything looks like it's working perfectly, and then, bam, the connection just vanishes, right when you need it most. It is maddening. But what if the problem isn't your phone, or your laptop, or even your router?
And it's not just the Wi-Fi. It's that video that's just stuck buffering forever. It's the cell call that drops right in the middle of a sentence. It's your TV picture suddenly turning into a blocky, pixelated mess. Or maybe it's your wireless speaker cutting out. Or even your garage door just flat out refusing to open. These aren't all separate, random problems. A lot of the time, they are symptoms of the exact same invisible issue. That's right. You can spend hours resetting your router, restarting your phone, maybe even yelling at your smart TV. But you might be blaming the victim here. See, the real culprit often isn't your device at all, but something in the air all around it. Just stop and think about it for a second. Every single wireless signal, from your phone, your Wi-Fi, your neighbor's Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth headphones, every smart gadget in your house, it's all traveling through the air. This isn't just empty space. It's an incredibly crowded, invisible superhighway, just packed with data flying everywhere. And with the absolute explosion of wireless tech, that highway has turned into a massive, non-stop traffic jam. I mean, in some apartment buildings, you can have dozens, maybe even hundreds of Wi-Fi networks all overlapping, all trying to shout over each other. It is pure electronic chaos. In fact, this problem has gotten so big that experts actually have a name for it: RF noise pollution. Yeah, think of it like an electronic smog. And just like the smog in the air we breathe, this invisible noise clogs up the air our devices need to communicate. It's actually becoming a recognized environmental issue.
So what exactly is this electronic smog? Well, its technical name is radio frequency interference, or RFI for short. And for our purposes today, it's the villain of our story.
To put it really simply, radio frequency interference is any unwanted signal that gets in the way of a signal you do want. It's all the electronic noise and chatter that confuses your devices and just messes up their ability to talk to each other properly. Here's a really easy way to picture it. Imagine a friend is trying to whisper something important to you from across a quiet library. No problem, right? You hear them perfectly. That's your tech working just fine. Now, imagine trying to hear that exact same whisper at a loud, chaotic party with music blasting and 100 people talking. It's impossible. That's RFI. The whisper, the data your device needs, is drowned out by all the other noise.
Okay, so we've got this invisible noise, this loud party happening all around us. How does that actually translate into the real-world frustrations we all feel? Let's connect the dots.
So for your Wi-Fi, it's in a constant battle to be heard over all that noise. And that is why you get those maddeningly slow speeds, why your connection just drops out for no apparent reason, and why you have those dead zones in your house where the signal just can't seem to push through all the interference.
And on your cell phone? Oh yeah, it's the same story. That weird static you hear sometimes, that call that just drops out of nowhere, a lot of the time it's because some other interfering signal was momentarily stronger or louder than your cell signal, and for that split second, the connection was totally lost.
And it absolutely hits our entertainment systems too. That moment your satellite TV picture just dissolves into a bunch of squares or freezes completely, or when your Bluetooth speaker stutters and cuts out over and over. Yep, that's often your device is fighting a losing battle against all the other signals flying through the air.
Okay, so this is the big question. Where is all this noise actually coming from? You might think it's just your neighbor's Wi-Fi, but the real culprits, well, they're often things you would never, ever suspect. They're hiding in plain sight all around you.
We are literally surrounded by sources of interference, a lot of them in our own homes. And the surprising thing is, it's usually not another Wi-Fi network. That Wi-Fi dropout could be caused by your neighbor's baby monitor. The static on your speakers could be a faulty, cheap LED light bulb, or even the malfunctioning power brick for your laptop. Things like older plasma TVs, solar panel inverters, even a security system from a nearby business, they can all leak electronic noise and wreck the signals you're actually trying to use.
So here's the bottom line. The next time your tech starts acting up, just remember, it might not be broken at all. It might just be losing an invisible battle. There's this constant, silent war for the airwaves being fought all around us, 24/7, and our poor devices are stuck right in the middle of it.
And all of this leads to a really fascinating question, doesn't it? As we keep adding more and more and more wireless devices to our lives, that invisible highway gets more crowded, and that electronic noise just gets louder and louder. It really makes you wonder, in a future that's going to be completely connected, can we ever truly escape the noise? Something to think about. Thanks for tuning in.